Hello and welcome to this Xsens MTI tutorial for reprocessing data with different filter profiles and settings in MT Manager. This allows you to perform a single test and see which filter profile generates the best results for your specific application's needs. First, I will show you how to configure your device correctly to be able to reprocess an MTB file with different filter profiles. In this demonstration, I will be using an MTI 300 AHRS. But this tutorial will apply to any of the MTI VRU, AHRS, or GNSS INS modules. In the output configuration, you will need to configure the device to output delta Q, delta V, magnetic field, and status word. Also, make sure to select no orientation for the orientation. Also, make sure to select the highest output rate available for the specific type of data. So for inertial data, that's 400 Hz, magnetic field 100 Hz. Instead of applying the configuration manually, you can also just use the XDA processing preset and will automatically configure the device appropriately. Next, hit apply, exit out, upload the orientation viewer, and we'll record a file. I'll move the device around, collect different angles for the roll, pitch, and yaw estimates. End the recording, and now if I open the file, you'll see a window pops up with the different filter profiles and settings that I can change for the MTI 300. So I can select the VRU General, Dynamic, any of the filter profiles. I'll also enable ICC. Okay, now I pull up the orientation data viewer again, hit play, and we'll play back the data with the settings that I selected in that initial window. Now, for comparison, I can also pull up a second window of MT Manager, open that same file, and select different options. So instead of dynamic, I'll select VRU General with AHS enabled. Now I can pull up the orientation data, and we'll play back differently with the new settings applied to it. Now I can see, side by side, the same test run with various filter profiles and settings applied. If you have further questions or comments, please contact support@xsens.com, where our helpful team of support engineers will be able to help you.